Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we're going to show you how to add music to your Galaxy Watch 4. So as you see, we have our Galaxy Watch 4 here, and let's look at it real quick to see if any music comes installed on it. So if you swipe up from the bottom here, you'll get to your menu and you want to look for your music icon. And so there's your music icon there. We're going to tap on it to open it, and it looks as though we have a song there, and that's Over the Horizon by Samsung. If we hit the play button, you can hear it real quick. We'll cut that off. If you see the little dash there, you can swipe up from the bottom there, and you can see the library, the queue, and the song playing Over the Horizon. Let's hit library. If you hit library, it takes you to another menu where it says playlists, tracks, and albums, and artists. So we're going to tap tracks, and it shows us that we only have one track on the watch itself. So we're going to hit the back button here and come all the way out of there. And like we said, we want to show you how to add music to your watch. So we're going to set our watch down here, and we're going to reach over here and grab our device. And this is the Galaxy Flip 3. So what we want to do now is go to the Samsung Wear app, and we'll go to our Samsung folder here, and we're going to go to the Wear app. You open the Wear app here, and then what you want to do is go down to where you see watch settings, tap on watch settings, and then you want to come down to where you see manage content. Tap on that to open it, and then you'll see where it says add tracks. And when you tap add tracks, it's going to take you to where your music is stored on your phone. Take you to where your music is stored on your phone. And so you can see all the music you have. You can look at the playlist, the tracks, and the albums. And so we're going to add like 3 or 4 songs to our watch. Let's see. Let's go in this folder here with the 41 tracks. And let's add this song here by Raheem DeVaughn. Let's add this one, Damage. And I don't know, let's add this one here. And then let's see, let's look for this one called Sunday. And we hit the tracks there, and we're going to slide down to Sunday, S-U-N-D-Y. And here we are, and we're going to select that. So as you see, we have 4 tracks there. So we hit done, and when we hit done, the phone goes through the process of sending those 4 tracks to your watch. As you see, it's downloading there, and you see the different names, 50%, 75%, 100%. And so it says those 4 tracks have been sent to your watch. And so we're going to hit the home button there, and we're going to set our device back down. We're going to grab our watch to see if those tracks truly have been sent. So again, we're going to swipe up from the bottom to get to our menu, and then we're going to slide down again to the music icon, tap on it to open it. And again, we see on Over the Horizon, that's the Samsung track that came installed on the watch automatically. And we're going to swipe it from the bottom where you see a little dash to go to our library. And once we open our library, this time we're going to go to tracks again. And we had 1 already in there, so we added 4. And so it did take it. As you see, it says 5 tracks now. We have that Raheem DeVaughn song, that song called Damage, Essence, Over the Horizon, which was already on there. And we have the one Sunday. And to show you that they do play, we'll tap on Sunday real quick. And it switched it out. And as you can tell, it's playing. You can hear that. And you can turn the volume up this way by turning the bezel. And we'll hit the back button. And it continued to play. Let's go back to it. And we're going to pause it. And so also, too, if you have a few songs that you like, you can touch that heart there, like so. And it would add it to a list of favorites that you like. So that's about it for our video today, how to add music to your Galaxy Watch 4. So hopefully we shared something that was beneficial and something that you can use? If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as possible. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.